Hey everybody, it is the one and only, it is your favorite stylist here. It is Melanie Day with You've Got Curls and Hair Loss Center. And as always, I am bringing you the right information about the right products, the right technique, and how to use the products correctly. So today's topic, and this is something, I got my notes here. This is something that I've been getting a lot of questions about. And it's like, the question is, why do I actually need a hair routine? Does it even matter? Can I just do whatever to my hair? Well, we're going to talk about that. So what is a routine? Most of us have a routine. We go to work every morning. We have a daily routine for eating, kids, family, checking our emails, whatever, something that's scheduled. What usually happens when you go off your routine? Say there's a time change or something happens, there's a holiday, we kind of get thrown off track. Takes us a little bit of time to get back to what we were doing before. So that's why having structure is so important. And that is why I've created In Living Curls Hair Care community to help you have the right hair care routine and regimen at home, to give you the tools, to give you the education, to empower you to make the right decisions as a consumer, so you don't feel overwhelmed when you go to the store or even search online for hair care products for your friends and family or even for yourself. So let's talk about, what does the hair care routine look like for you? Well, first of all, you want to understand three things. You want to understand, what's the current need of my hair? Is my hair dry? Is my hair oily? Is my hair color treated? Is my hair, chemical free? Do I have braids? Do I have locks? What's the situation for my hair? That's starters. Number two, you want to think about, well, what's going on with my scalp? Is my scalp sensitive? Am I showing signs of maybe eczema or psoriasis? Am I thinning on top? Is there a situation that I need extra help with? That's something to think about. And number three is, what's your goal? Like, what are you trying to achieve with your hair? Are you trying to get your hair to stop shedding? Are you trying to maintain the moisture and maintain the length? What are the goals? So write those three things down. If you're watching this video, write those three things down. So the first thing I believe I said was understanding exactly the needs of your hair. So for instance, is it relaxed? Is it chemical free? Do you have locks? Is it naturally curly? Is it afro texture? Understanding the texture. Step two is, are you currently experiencing any scalp issues? Is it dry? Is it itchy? Is it flaky? Are you experiencing any burning or excessive shedding? Is it thin on top? And number three, what are the goals? So keep that in mind when you are looking for products and to incorporate into your routine. So that's the basics of that. That's kind of like the Cliff Notes version in 30 seconds or less. To get to the more detailed part of that once again is why I've developed In Living Curls Hair Care community, to help you step by step come up with a customized hair care routine just for you. I know there's a lot of companies out there that tout that if you send in a hair sample, that they'll tell you specifically, what's the best product for you, what you should use, and this is how it should be. I'm going to let you in a little secret. If it were that easy, everybody and their mother would be doing it. Every company will be doing it. No shade to the companies that are, but I just wanted to enlighten you as a consumer. Sometimes, like I said, companies spend billions of dollars on marketing, and they look for avenues, keywords like, oh, all natural, organic, holistic, whatever. There's only so many companies out there that can actually say that their products are legitimately holistic, like they actually have the certifications for that. Not every company has that. They're just, some are just a play on words. So that's why I want to educate you as a consumer, just so that you're a wiser consumer, so you're not overwhelmed by all the marketing ploys that are out there. And also too, that you're not falling prey to a method that has you putting in 16 to 20 products in a day, because ain't nobody have time for that. I definitely don't have time for that. Keep life simple. Shampoo your hair, shampoo your hair and cleanse your scalp, condition your hair, have a leave-in, and use your styling product and style accordingly. It's that simple. It's that simple. So if you're enjoying the content that I'm creating, if you like what's being put out, please, 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 sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. Please share with your friends and family. Also, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and our website at inlivingcurls.com. And there is more great content coming out. We would love to have you part of our international community. We are growing and we would love to have you. So hope to see you soon. Have a good day. Bye.